This is the first two steps of the Python version of the White Belt Kata. First, we need to create the folder structure, including a folder for the code and a folder for the tests. We'll need an init file and a main file in the main code folder. We'll also need a file to contain the tests within the test folder. You'll need to choose if you use pytest or unit test within your test project. If you choose pytest, like I did here, you'll need to install that package using one of the virtual environment tools such as pipenv. We should be done. Let's run the tests in the testing window to verify that the test passes.